push back, okay? I'll place my hand right here. Look back at your breath. There it went. 1, 2, 3. I love life. All right, go ahead and flip over. He's going to do it. Okay, look back at the fireplace. Good. Now relax. 1.
Ooh, that's good. I've never gotten that size like that.
Go ahead and lay on your
No, I'm not
stomach.
supposed to.
All right, take a deep breath in. All the way out. Pick up your head. Good. And then let it fall.
Oh.
Pick up your head. And let it fall. All right, this bottom piece is going to drop. So just take a deep breath in. All the way out. Bend your knees. A little bit of a short right leg. Okay, now lift this side. Back down. Straight leg. Alright. Oh, this hurts. I apologize. We're going to go real fast, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. There we go. That was good. Flip over to the other side. How you like Atlanta from Cali? I joke. Deep breath in. All the way up. There we go. Lay on your stomach. Let's check it out. Yeah, I know a few people. They just want to go back to Cali. Yeah, I've done it. Just on this side, let's go. Yes, it's okay. So you can take a deep breath in for me. All the way up. Okay. One more time, deep breath in. All the way up. Got it.
Come sit on the couch right there. Don't move.
Damages. Yeah. I said it's done.
Oh.
So this is damages by me and Joe.
Understands time out. I don't understand. Sit down and be quiet.
Is he gonna make it? Got that shoulder.
Ooh. Oof. Yeah, he had a little air here. Okay. Okay.
Let it fall. All right, good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Look up to the ceiling for me. Look up.
Oh! I was not ready for that one. Oh! Oh!
Whenever you're ready.
I don't think I'm gonna ever be ready again.
I didn't want to like move out because he was like, bloop.
Oh,
How was that?
that was good. It wasn't good when it happened, but it was a good after.
Right. It takes people by surprise. Alright, lift this one up first. Beautiful. And then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
Better.
Yeah.
Every day's busy. Today's not that bad though. I don't have any clients, so.
Look at that way for me.
Yep.
Over your shoulder.
Okay.
Deep breath in. All the way up. There we go. Flip over to the other side. Busy, but if you have to leave the office, it gets a little bit more time consuming.
Yeah, exactly.
Straighten your bottom
Straight.
leg and top. Okay. Just like that. Soft tug. Drop that shoulder. All right, deep breath in. All the way up. Deep breath in. All the way up. Drop those shoulders, let it go. Pick your head straight back. Drop that right cheekbone. You're gonna feel a little pressure here and here, okay? Let it go. Good. All right, straight back. And left cheekbone. Good. Deep breath in. Let this arm fall to the ground. Let it go. Breathe out. Good. I'm going to bring my arms through here, okay?
Okay.
Fall back. Just lay completely good. And good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go.
That felt amazing.
Huh?
It felt amazing.
All right, one more time. All the way up. Look up to the ceiling for me.
Oh, that felt great.
Okay. Let's see, check out this here. Okay. Check out this one. Yep. All right. Whew. How do you feel?
Oh, way better. Oh, my neck. Could definitely tell the difference in my neck.
Good. Awesome.
Okay.